Hi, AI video generation can give you 15 seconds in one go and now even around 30. That's powerful, until one moment is wrong. You can't fix just that beat. You regenerate the whole clip, wait again, and hope the rest still matches. That loop is expensive and exhausting. Bloomway's Video Cutter is built for that pain. Meet segment edit, change only the part of the timeline you care about without redoing the entire cut. Open Cutter on your finished render, then select a clip on the timeline. In the AI panel, switch to segment edit. Check edit this clip. A translucent rewrite window appears on that clip. Drag the handles to set the in and out points or slide the window along the clip. The playhead and I/O help you lock those points precisely. Click Prepare this clip to bake your selection into a preview, including speed and reverse if you use them. That step doesn't cost sparks. Then describe the change, new motion, a different expression, or keep the scene and tweak only what you need. Pick your edit model, confirm duration and aspect, and generate. When it's done, the new clip lands in the asset bin. With Cutter open, it usually replaces just the range you selected, leaving the rest of the timeline intact. Undo anytime or compare versions from the bin. In short, stop regenerating everything for one bad second.
Select the window, prepare, prompt generate, replace. That's segment edit in Cutter.